Hello, I'm Coach Connie. Thank you for attending the mock prep class. I'm here to tell you what your next steps will be in the portal and how to schedule your mock class. To take your mock class for the intermediate levels, scroll down and click Take This Cert. You may find some helpful resources in these tabs right here. We covered much of this in the mock prep course. Click on Pre-Mock Class Tips and Materials. As you scroll down and click Show More, you will find the materials needed for preparation for your mock class. Here you will find the mock class PPT, the lesson objectives for both lessons A and B, as well as examples of the student's prior knowledge. This helps you understand what the student knows before coming to this lesson. You can download these materials onto your computer so you can practice and prepare for your mock class. Now let's book the mock class. Scroll down and choose a day and a time that is convenient for your schedule. Remember, your mock class will be about 25 to 30 minutes. After finding a time that works for you, confirm your time zone is correct, and if not, change right here. Then click to confirm your appointment. You now have your mock class scheduled. You can enter the practice room immediately. Use the practice room to practice all the functions of the classroom and turn on your camera so that you get comfortable teaching online. When it's time for your appointment, enter the classroom and not the practice room. This is where you will do your mock class. Make sure that you arrive about 10 minutes early to check your technology and make sure that everything works properly. Good luck!